Hi, GC News. Mima Obia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news and Kwana Mide Bremo. Nasa wunya subscribe to the channel na necessary over subscribe. Udi obea nese over click the subscribe button. Now wa belly notification no. Where is our video for be upload no. So once ever can be. I thought we are now like video no my nothing. Share my offer for so na wonye bi na wo hwe. Afriyie nhwe eye ensema beto ye prof enti ensema e
Captain Smart one so odi bi begbo and Mr. William na so ye dio me am catch them say onya is answer no because I thought it was very childish because I want multi-party democracy as I wouldn't say na no omo bre pants na omo dey constitution way back so it will be very very defeatist say ya kase e be multi-party democracy now say obi kotoma party people dia Sebe oya boy. That's very ignorant comment. And me catch na atiano. Me tiano di matem but me ni anan ministers are not yet is okay but mo bi ansu di natem pamoto munjano.
Okay, send me for Captain Smart. What's a Captain Smart and NPP for any di natem and kaso ye say no wa manto platform or whatever. And this as an atema Captain Smart. ODNPP for into their own cambi. Captain Smart, some of us, your qualification more than him, but he had the gut to tell NPP for say if anybody votes for NPP, who are the 12 man people, 77 players, we are boa. How can you say that? And because of this, anything MPP for any to feel say you can insult us.
You're watching GC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Checking the record. And somebody like Captain Smart, even my qualification, he had a gut to be telling us say, you believe one people near Kotuaba, how do you say this?
But in that
case, let him suffer the consequences of the inquiry and for the man. Let him suffer it. And not because of the NPP for any more, and they won't believe we say, he has the right as everyone to join any political party, whether it is NDC, whether it is anything or whatever. He has the right. At the same right now, one vote. Maybe to a Menakogana Kotuaba, and to me Kotuaba, one. My register, I will vote, and to one only vote and more so irrespective, say he had the opportunity to sit on your FM. Maybe he had the voice, he had the everything, but it does not necessarily mean say he had the repository of knowledge, repository of wisdom, repository of everything that anyone. He should try to pull down. Let people also understand, say, there are people when it comes to political game now, and a democracy, game, people should be prepared to speak their mind. It does not mean, say, for instance, me can say, I can't say, Hopeson. The other time, many need chance, so papa will program you so, but I now say yes, and it means that the fact is that, and then no disagreement, we might meet and we be laughing. And here we Ghana very fortunate, we coexist as one people, irrespective say you were trouble, but we coexist. We build it, we have interrelationship, we have interdependency. Obi why Santini?
Why very emotional because of Captain Asemno Kantina Mala no binary. Okay, why consume the boy and me my catcher and Atiano. Me Tiano di matem, but maybe the other ministers are not yet is okay, but more be answered dinner Pamoto Munjano. Why?
That's fine. Now, Captain Smart, but the same affair so say culture of silence or Ghana, and I need to be able to be can sometimes journalists were I don't know if I say, yeah, yeah, their own. Don't make a BBI, some more radio, don't make a BBI authoritative, young partners.
You are watching GC News on YouTube.
Sometimes
hot
it's
news
amazing.
All time.
But sister, it speaks to something concerning about more professional. And I think Paul Adumochi has been trying to drum home that point. Say, it appears people think that journalism is just being on camera and talking. It's a very difficult job. What's in, Professor? Because the kind of research you have to do, the kind of, fact finding in your as I say, you have to gather everything and be able to speak like a very intelligent person. You must know everything from health to sports to so across the board. Even though we're specializing in the radio or the microphone, and just a journalist. I don't think so. Ghana journalists I don't think that's the kind of training they give them there. And the who Ghana is very appalling. And we know the best ones in the media. We know people who genuinely make mistakes in their profession. We can see all of that. And we know those people. I'm not even tuned to listen to it, to just waste my energy.
I think you are complaining about the media. In fact, the reason why we want to stop this work because of in terms I say, so many times for multimedia. Yeah, cases here the court sometimes
I think
comments be too
it's really appalling.
It's completely away from your ethics. Yeah, but I can concern a boy here. Yeah, you made mistake.
Yeah. Anyway, Parliament to be a copy of Honorman there was a 43 be no move Parliament because some of the standard now for their born I say grow be you can't see maturity in the way people are analyzing issue. People just want to be quick to come to the media and the hasty conclusion, no fact-based evidence. As if say we are just stupid people in the it's becoming very appalling. Into which I cannot cry to go to Parliament and for they are getting out because of some of these things. Because they cannot afford to cope with some of these attitudes in Parliament in other places. This is
if it is true, you went to do what? Take 213,000 Ghana cedis to organize a press conference about me, Captain Flan.
No, but Captain, do you think Obiti Sajum for or your Chrome Force also obeji 213,000 Ghana cedis?
Nipa no bomb man no Jubilee House say you do the Yashisha Mobi. And like I wrote in my
Facebook response.
They are doing their paymasters bid. Sentisa minia me presenter okrumha. Say yes obi atwi obi ka. You say unya story kra on the GD for the president. You see unya story. I say we see actually there will be some years and so I publish it and I'm one.
Yeah.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
That will broadcast it. That's the way we say no man who should boom now ko ya then why. You ntwa ka obeyesa.
Ose omoshe wa ose de obi obeto abama MPP bia ya aboa.
Oh, me bra. Say aban wo ho. Na aban enye sika over $77 billion in just 8 years. Now there's nothing to show her. Sa aban no ya aban me. Mama answer. Wa mama answer.
Onya say 70.
Opa, Gyamfi the current dollar rate.
Yeah.
From 2017, Ghana Revenue Authority, Omusika, was 2018. 2017, GRA revenue was 69.8 billion Ghana cedis, almost 70 billion. And it has been so apart from 2018, around was it 59.8? Hopeson Adorye, they divide it. For 70 billion Ghana cedis, they divide by 15. So revenue saying Aremeyaw Anas times by 8. Who we are for loans are buying way in billions of dollars. Financial kahon. Who we are bonds are buying the Zaka financial kahon. Who we are and no brand grant. Yeah more for your friend COVID by. To an extent, say, Kojo International Airport, and Nipa na all JJ COVID who sika, who why you say test you with a whoop you, say vaccinate you, say you from $200 to $150, later to $100. That's the kind of and another do what you're saying. You come to appreciate that sika ba ban we nsem no only God can tell how much. Nessa sa ban no ntimi amfa sa sika no anye bribia eye monumental. This is what we are saying. One say Japade ba ko pe awmode Ghana. I just want to know.
Okay, so Gyamfi, just tell the person say why you just can want me and find anything monumental. But men can't say will be asema and twaba man PP. As a campaign.
Now some men are okay. Asema na okay. Ayo CNN. CNN more on TV no so mo ka so mo to Obama Biden no mo ye adwuma be. Gyamfi oni krom ha wan support Obama. That time I'm not a farmer and I'm not a journalist. That time I'm not a farmer. 2016 and Gyamfi the near bre of Freya Yeshia or a part of the NPP journalists are in the meetings. How to campaign for the New Patriotic Party to come to power. No. But I'm not a mechanic.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
That's I'm not a mechanic.
I was no Kangarawa.
No, you see, this hypocrisy and sycophancy, no.
Gyamfi, now 2016 waka MPP media team no.
No matter 2020, 2018, leading to 2020 elections, no. Then a course. Pisano, now friend to line so. Now, no. Oh, Pisano, what they are friend bra. Any other topping on and no yejuma. Pentecost elder station and no yejuma.
Now, on the other Cabrera yejuma.
There you know what topping
Tobingo.
I think Pisano. Me pen true. Into me wouldn't me ya dear na yeah. May you never can come baby. Pisano on no Gyamfi. Hey, 2020 na or your carpentry.
And 2020 and now your friends say won't to me your friends say John Mahama say John Mahama I will practice on radio so now Gyamfi no kroma. I see.
Me there me can say you do baby say ya mbe you me. The only two we have are these two leading political parties. Me am the Miami Party, Convention People's Party, ACPP. Yes, sure, say we meet with the flag bearer. Because we are in July, August, September, October, November. We are left with only 4 months to go to elections. Nobody can do any serious magic to do anything. What I say. And let truth be told, young can kura kuruma. And only idea ekum yen. And we are question NDC, we are question MPP. It is a obi MPP dia. So can one tum because we MPP din. Obi NDC nia. So can one tum because we NDC din. Minia want that radio you so entity be my NDC penny for. When you be that.
Oh, say nya and you're fine, you're fine.
If the thing is not good, you say it. What is Gyamfi talking about? Sammy Maka said, so who were a minister of state, yet are buying security and no catch a former president. Say, Wamu constitution ni papa pamba, Umenye ni papa pebia and Fana Martin said John Dramani Mahama. And Mahama Yedipamea, me former president too. Me Yendi Mahama is my former president. Kufuor is my former president. Nanado will become my former president. Bawumia is very soon will become my former vice president. And Sir Obi Kojina baby. Na Obi na no kasa ansem na. How would Gyamfi feel? Koto de na budget meboa. Yemfa nto abem kwan mu. Na ade hye mbom bra. Yenya ntre de yemfa ka ata yemfa so. This is what we should preach against. Enye se kwaje smart muade o. Enye se me intesofita ni menum intesofita o menum but media who bu mine wo say o mine na. Ese se yi intesofita na to nchen. Ye tintesu kokko kire o. Ama next time what wona wo ya de anya. Wu ko ba biom so be di mampani a. Ubesua nyansa no hu say no o mine na me kodi animu se bia buru se bia nyaado enye bebia ye chenkate ton na me kwakoye CEO ho enye areho DJ fogu kroyim na maami a innocent woman a wenya accident yetimi atam na to ambulance m akohwe na gunwuram te se sebe ball aswade bi DJ fo ehunu saade no entimi anya ho press conference make Captain Smart as no mbeka wo motiti. And me, let me say this and repeat again. So nobody in this country, nobody under the sun can break my resolve. I am determined, I am focused, I am poised, I am ready, and nobody can ever stop me from anywhere. Unless, of course, me and Kasameko could do Bonibia. menya so akatua but se kwanya menam so a ye bon ne se Ghana betimi huri ejina baby papa ema man ema nyema na wo ko hospital a wonya drumpo nom na wo na ya jew ye CV akwala innocent child not the hospital because ne ma mentimi ntua no ko sita san ne ma ne bejai no nobody under the sun can ever stop me. And I want to send this warning to Mujije for no. Me DJ. That is why I'm using the word Mujije, no, because me DJ, me DJ, me join media association bia okuma. Me person that me join bia. I want to be my own, so I can speak my mind if the thing is not good. If you think I've said something and you don't like it, that's fine. But you don't put a whole association together to go and organize a presser. How childish is this? This is so baby. They are too babyish. How? Because of saying 213,000 Ghana cedis. Now, penny 40 some. Back what I say. Day. A quiet walk Ghana. A quiet walk Ghana. She, number boom, not a coon, boom, not a coon, boom, not quite a coon. Mpacho, Yenny by your Tony man and the home for you, your friends and cry. What's the name?
Bonnie.
Ebony. If we have fixed that road, where is the Ghana Journalists Association? Where is the Ghana independent, whatever, broadcasters, whatever they call themselves? Where are they? Can they for once sit down and reason with the ordinary Ghanaian? Ghanaians are dying. They need the media. Ghana for new Kabafo will be biabium. The NDC will do what they want to do. The NPP will continuously do what they want to do. It is up to the media for us to actually be on the side of the dying populace. And then these guys are sitting there because of what? The senior journalists, and they are to market to Jubilee House. They go there and they take 50,000 Ghana cedis a month. Every month, they go there and take 50,000 Ghana cedis. I've said it on my show several times. I'm daring any of them to come and challenge me. Senior journalists,
senior journalists for Bear.
Oh, that's how I own him. I'm going to be out and 50,000.
I ain't for no. Captain, Sammy minimum crop cry. I tell you, I'll mention them. I ain't for no.
Me say, some that me catch it all say, Mammy up to October. Ubi Academy. Men am catch it. For the catch it. So October not to ho. Mammy up to October. How we must see a canoe kore. Near Jaisika Jijian. Then canoe kore will come out. Ye yen central for ye tron some near cancer. A beb one nipa manipa 6 ye. That's a way presenter. Now man who boom no akwaji 50,000 every month. Woman who boom no akwaji 40,000. Na enkrofo free him be sunlight. Who do one on sunlight Jessica as a concert ticket. Is that how to Sunday your mind?
Yo, it's for Michael say just do so and our heaven. So we now subscribe ya. Let's just say what more than now subscribe now. Like the video no that feel so watch share my offer for so any bit and what. Also bet me actually working Afriyie and some way now I will comment box in. Over to in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.